Stakeholders, my name is Sue Marie and my passion is zero harm to patients. Today I am seeking a 100% investment in advancing patient safety. As of March 31st, 2024, there were 7,558 dialysis centers in the United States and its territories, treating 517,321 patients. Dialysis requires specialized training. Any error can put patients at risk for harm. Imagine an environment where users can practice in a non-threatening setting, gaining the necessary skills to safely care for patients. Introducing the world's first 3-in-1 fully dialysable simulator. This patented innovative simulator allows users to gain confidence and competence in providing dialysis using a hemodialysis catheter, graft, or peritoneal dialysis catheter. It enables users to master technical and clinical skills in a safe environment. When I began my career as a dialysis nurse in 2002, despite 15 years as a surgical trauma ICU nurse, I found the dialysis machine very intimidating. Training on the machine and practicing patient management through role play would have made a significant difference. Join me in upholding the oath of First Do No Harm by incorporating our 3-in-1 fully dialysable simulator into your education platform. Let's create an environment of zero harm. Order your simulator now at SWorld, www.sworld.me.